Best hot tubs offer a soothing escape from daily stress. They provide therapeutic benefits, enhancing both physical and mental well-being. With numerous options available, choosing the right hot tub can be overwhelming. Factors like size, features, and budget play crucial roles. List number: Coleman Hawaii AirJet Large Square 4 to 6 Person Inflatable. Enjoy a relaxing soak with the Coleman Hawaii AirJet Inflatable Hot Tub. Perfect for 4 to 6 people. It features 140 soothing air jets for a gentle massage. The Energy Sense cover helps keep the water warm. Easy to set up and portable for any outdoor space. A great way to unwind in your backyard. Advantages: experience relaxation with the Coleman Hawaii AirJet Hot Tub. Perfect for outdoor use. This inflatable spa offers soothing comfort. Enjoyable for families and friends. Accommodates 4 to 6 people effortlessly. 140 air jets provide gentle massage for ultimate relaxation. Energy Sense cover helps maintain heat and saves energy. Portable design allows easy setup in various outdoor spaces. List number 2. Coleman Saloo Spa Sicily AirJet. Experience relaxation with the Coleman Saloo Spa Sicily AirJet Hot Tub. Perfect for outdoor gatherings. It comfortably fits 7 people. Enjoy 180 soothing air jets for a calming spa experience. The inflatable design makes it easy to set up and move. An insulated cover helps maintain the perfect temperature. Ideal for any backyard oasis. Advantages: enjoyable relaxation with 180 soothing air jets for ultimate comfort. Perfect for unwinding after a long day. Spacious design accommodates up to 7 people comfortably. Great for social gatherings or family time. Portable and easy to set up anywhere outdoors. No permanent installation needed. List number: Intex 28431EP Pure Spa Plus. Experience pure relaxation with the Intex 28431EP Pure Spa Plus Bubble Massage Spa Set. Designed to comfortably fit 6 people. Enjoy soothing bubbles and warmth for ultimate comfort. Comes with an energy-efficient cover to keep the heat in. Includes 2 contoured headrests for added luxury. An LED light enhances the ambiance for evening soaks. Perfect for creating a spa-like experience at home. Advantages: discover relaxation with the Pure Spa Plus Bubble Massage Spa Set. Perfect for unwinding after a long day. Here's why you'll love it. Energy-efficient spa cover keeps heat in longer. Save on energy costs. Contoured headrests provide ultimate comfort. Enjoy a spa-like experience at home. List number 4. Coleman Saloo Spa Miami. Experience relaxation with the Coleman Saloo Spa Miami AirJet. Perfect for 2 to 4 people. This inflatable hot tub offers comfort. Enjoy 120 soothing air jets that gently massage your body. The insulated cover keeps the water warm and ready for use. Its sleek black design adds style to any outdoor space. Easy to set up and portable, it brings spa luxury to your backyard. Advantages: spacious comfort for 2 to 4 people. Relax together easily. Quick and easy setup. No tools required for assembly. 120 soothing air jets provide gentle bubble massage. Relieve stress fast. Insulated cover keeps water warm. Saves energy and money. Portable design suits any outdoor space. Enjoy a spa anywhere. List number: Intex 28451EP Pure Spa Greystone Deluxe Spa Set. Transform your backyard into a relaxation haven with the Intex 28451EP Pure Spa Greystone Deluxe Spa Set. This spa comfortably fits 6 people, providing ample space for family and friends. The energy-efficient spa cover helps maintain heat, saving energy and costs. Manage your spa effortlessly using the wireless control panel and spa control app. Experience easy setup with the built-in fast fill inflation system. Designed with durability, it ensures long-lasting enjoyment. Advantages: experience relaxation with the Intex Pure Spa Greystone Deluxe. Designed for comfort, it accommodates up to 6 people. Enjoy the spacious 77 inches by 28-inch size. The energy-efficient spa cover helps maintain water temperature. This feature saves energy and reduces costs. Wireless control panel offers convenience. Easily adjust settings from anywhere nearby. Quick setup with the fast fill inflation system. Spend more time soaking, less time setting up. Control the spa with the Spa Control app. Manage features from your smartphone effortlessly.